Looking for the ultimate solution for effortless home cleaning?
Well, look no further. Today, we're diving deep into the Eureka PowerSpeed Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner,
PET Turbo, Black.
Stay tuned as we unveil why this vacuum cleaner is the best floor cleaning machine for your home. Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. I'm your host, and today we're going to explore why the Eureka PowerSpeed Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner, PET Turbo, Black, is making waves in the world of home cleaning. First off, let's talk power.
With its lightweight design and 960 watts of suction power, this vacuum cleaner delivers a deep clean like no other. Whether you're tackling carpets, rugs, or hardwood floors, the Eureka PowerSpeed gets the job done. But what sets this vacuum apart is its versatility. With 5 height adjustment settings, it easily adapts to different surfaces, from deep carpets to bare floors.
Plus, it's great for pet owners, thanks to the included PET Turbo tool and other accessories designed to tackle pet hair and dander.
Maintenance is a breeze with washable filters and a bagless design.
And with an extra large dust cup, you'll spend less time emptying and more time cleaning.
But don't just take my word for it. Customers love the Eureka PowerSpeed for its powerful suction, lightweight design, and ease of use.
It's truly a game changer in the world of home cleaning. So there you have it, folks. The Eureka PowerSpeed Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner, PET Turbo, Black, is the best floor cleaning machine for your home. Say goodbye to dirt and hello to a cleaner, fresher home with Eureka. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this one.
Until next time, happy cleaning!